Good evening, everyone. This is Bryce Barrett, Public Information Officer for White County Public Safety. We're coming to you live tonight. White County has been issued a extended tornado watch until 4 a.m. On the chat here, I have Division Chief Don Strength. He's going to give you a couple updates.
Yeah, and good evening, North Georgia, White County in particular. We are bracing for a very stormy morning across White County. It's 12:17 a.m. on your Thursday morning, and we have multiple strong to severe thunderstorms about to move across White County. We want to kind of give you a heads up. As you're looking at the radar, you can see we already have very heavy rainfall occurring from about Helen north. And then just to our west, we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is now in effect for Lumpkin County. Odds are pretty good that that warning is going to get extended into White County. That probably will happen in the next 5 to 10 minutes or so. And this first storm that we're going to be dealing with has a history of producing tornadoes. This particular thunderstorm has gone tornadic 2 or 3 times in the last couple of hours. That storm actually started back in Alabama about 2.5 hours ago. It went tornadic just as it crossed the Alabama Georgia state line and has caused damage in Walker and Dade counties. And then the storm calmed down a little bit, and then about 30 minutes later, it went tornadic again. It lost its tornado signature just west of Ellijay about an hour ago, but now it does appear to be ramping up again. So I think at the very least, we're about to get a severe thunderstorm warning for White County, and this thing could increase even more than that. We're looking at 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible with this storm and hail 1 inch or greater in diameter. So this is a very serious situation about to unfold across White County. This storm does have a history of damage, and we have storms lined up all the way back into Alabama. And these storms are training over the exact same locations. So we're now looking at a flooding situation. I've just been monitoring the chat room with the National Weather Service. Jeff Owenby, who's the EMA director over in Dade County, is posting what's going on over there, and he's got water rescues underway. We have roads blocked. We have roads underwater over there. And it's just a bad situation unfolding this morning across North Georgia. And I'm afraid we're going to be dealing with some of that here across White County as well. At the moment, we have no severe weather warnings for White County, though we are under a tornado watch until 4 a.m. this morning. But again, we have a severe thunderstorm just to our west knocking on the door. The heaviest part of that first storm that's going to move in right now is north and west of downtown Dahlonega, moving almost due east. So it looks like the heaviest part of this first line of storms probably going to affect White County from about Cleveland north, especially that area between Cleveland and Helen up there on Helen Highway. And then, of course, back over on Highway 129, up alternate 75. Those areas are going to get the heaviest part of this storm as it moves out of Lumpkin County into White County. Again, no warnings in effect at the moment, but we do expect to see White County go under a severe thunderstorm warning here at just about any time. I'm out and mobile and out in the weather conditions, and we're working this thing this morning, so we'll keep you updated as best we can. The best idea is stay close to your safe place in your home. If a severe thunderstorm warning or tornado warning is issued for White County, then you should seek shelter and remain in your residence or place of business until the storms pass. We ask you to please, if we do start to have flooded areas or if we have some damage around the county, please stay away from those areas to allow our rescue personnel and law enforcement to move into those areas and help with the recovery. Again, you'll see there on the screen the ideas of know where to go. Understand that you should go to the center of the lowest floor in your home. You want to put as many objects or walls between you and your exterior wall as you possibly can. That will help protect you. If you have a basement, of course, that's the absolute best place to go during a warning as well. So be safe out there, be aware of what's going on, and we will keep you updated as best we can as we go through this event. It's probably going to be rather stormy across White County for the next 2 to 3 hours at least, Bryce, until we can get these storms out of here. And that's the latest we have for you here at White County Public Safety. Again, we'll keep you updated, so stay close to a good source of weather information.
Thank you, Don. We will stay live on our Facebook page for a couple um, minutes now, and we will be back momentarily, or if we have any updates.
And once again, good evening, White County. Don Strength back in here with you. The National Weather Service has just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for White County, and I'll just read you the verbiage of the warning. A severe thunderstorm warning for Lumpkin and White counties in northeast Georgia. Also includes Dawson County and northeastern Hall County and southern Union County until 1:15 a.m. this morning. At 12:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing large hail, damaging straight line winds near Low Gap Shelter. That is moving to the east at 35 miles per hour. Again, that is a severe thunderstorm warning now in effect for White County, Georgia, until 1:15 a.m. this morning. We'll take the radar shot live. I'll show you where that severe thunderstorm is at this moment. And there it is. It's a big thunderstorm moving out of Lumpkin County, now moving into White County. It's moving to the east fairly rapidly at about 35 miles per hour. But large hail and damaging straight line winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour will be the main threat with this storm. Let me say that this storm has had a history of producing tornadoes back to the west. It has not produced a tornado now in about an hour. But there is that possibility that this storm could ramp up and produce a small spin-off tornado very quickly. So if you're in the path of this storm, I highly suggest that you stay very close to your safe place, if not go to your safe place until this storm passes. Repeating once again, a severe thunderstorm warning is now in effect for White County and the surrounding counties until 1:15 a.m. this morning. We'll continue with our live broadcast. We'll leave the radar up, and then we'll be back periodically with more updates as conditions warrant.